Hello mga mi, for today's vlog. So ayan, may lakad na naman tayo at pupunta nga pala kami ng Cubao ngayon at may ihatid nga pala kaming laptop at ipaayos namin doon. So ayan nga mga mi, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta after nito at abang-abangan nyo na lang.
She's always on my mind. From the time I wake up till I close my eyes, she's everywhere I go. She's all I know. Though she's so far away, just keeps getting stronger every day. And even now she's gone, I'm still holding.
Hey guys, nandito na naman tayo sa Diwata, Paris.
Cause it's breaking my heart.
Huli tayo magdalaw dito sa may Diwata, Paris. Wala pa masyadong tao ngayon. Pindutin mo nga.
My friends keep telling me that if
Ito, si Kenny Diwata.
you got something,
Kenny Diwata, guys. Ang laki.
she returns in kind. I know she's tell me where do we start? Cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe our heart will find a way. Only
Grabe ang init dito.
all I can
May pawis.
hold